Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the video file cannot be played error code 102630 that you are experiencing on your computer. So this can occur across a variety of web browsers, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would suggest doing would be to close out of any open browsers on your computer and then open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should say command prompt, right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, once again exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. Should say successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer at this time. And then hopefully at this point your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.